So we are going to start in Score 90 plus series the T and F block elements. In last video I covered the coordination compounds. So I think you have gone through that video. So we'll go with D and F block element. So last day they was asking 3 questions, but this year they asked 2 questions. One from D block and one from F block, and one question is fixed and one more question is give reason type of question. See, so we will go one by one. First one is 100% fixed question. I told no 100% the two questions are there, that is K2Cr2O7 and KMNO4. So just a second, I will just a second, I'll show you. See, now we'll see K2Cr2O7 preparation. See, this and all you have to write and practice. It's like a derivation. See, this is like a derivation. So you have to write 5 times. You should write with seeing, and 6th time you should write without seeing, so that you can write in the exam. See, 5 times with seeing. 6th time automatically you will write. See, 5 times with seeing means not seeing. First time you should write with seeing. Second time you should try to recall. You can recall only first step, write it. And third time you write, you can recall 2 step, second. Fourth time you will recall everything, but you will forget something like 2 NaCl, you will write only NaCl. When you write fifth time, everything will be correct. Sixth time without saying you should write, so that you can keep this in mind. K2Cr and KMNO4. See, please pause the screen and take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. I'll write SC screenshot. Okay, screenshot. Yes, screenshot I will write. So take a screenshot, pause the screen. Please pause the screen. Whatever work you're doing, please pause the screen, take the screenshot. So we'll go back. So we saw K2C out and K1. And one more. This is one question. I told it has 2 questions. No, this according to this pattern, this is one question. And this is the second question. So this is the one more question. So our bracket, right, that is was first question. This is the second question. So give reason type question. They'll ask give lactanode and actinode contraction, oxidation state, give reason. See, this is fixed, but this is not fixed. I am giving the topics. So from what topics they asked from previous year. So these are the topics in which they asked these questions from previous year. You can see that. Sorry, so we covered that also. Then we'll go for 1 mark. See, 1 mark also give reason. If you learn in that 3 marks, now again you don't need to learn a separate 1 mark. See what you learned here, it will be more than enough. See, go through the video. I have given important questions. So like last lesson there are 2 questions. This lesson some 2 questions. So see, in this main you should answers 5 questions. 5 into 3 is 15. So last lesson they last 2 questions I covered. This lesson 2 question I covered. Next is P block, 2 question I will cover all. So totally you will be ready with 6 question out of 6 question. See, 6 question general elements, that lesson I will keep it at last, and we'll go with physics. See how I will cover 6 questions so that you can answer these 5 questions. And the general process of elements, that lesson I'll keep lot. I'll come with P block element because P block fixed is there. General isolation of element, little tough lesson. I am not saying very tough, it is little tough. You'll see at last like how we did for see which general lessons we kept at last is in physical we kept surface chemistry. In this we'll keep the general process of element. In organic I think we kept amines and aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. So nearly for so totally 4 lessons, nearly 4 lessons we kept at last. That if you didn't learn also you can score full marks, but to be on safer side I'll give important questions from that lesson after finishing the physics. And max I will post like 3 videos I'll finish full max. Like one video it consists of full 1 mark, one more video 2 marks, and one more video 3 marks, and one more video 5 marks. So that within 4-5 videos I can cover of max before your exam, so that it will be helpful for even in your preparatory and even for your pre-boards and boards. So I'll catch up in the next video. Until then, thank you, stay safe.